In this mini-series, I'm sharing my journal journey with flip-throughs and thoughts about journals I have made in the past. Please find a link below with 2 previous videos sharing journals that did not make it onto this shelf in my craft room and a tour of some of the journals you see here. Welcome, it's Barbara from Vienna, Austria. So today I will share the journals on the bottom row in the square second to the right. This one right here, this has a lot of smaller, really fun projects. Most of these are design team projects for the Digital Collage Club, but there are some others as well, like this one. This is a Happy Mail journal. This is a blank one made out of a masterboard. So let me take these out and show them to you a little bit closer. Let's start off with this little cutie right here. This is one of the quickest and simplest journals I've ever made. This style is perfect for on the go, just to throw into your handbag. And all it is a glassine bag as a cover, like that. And then some very sweet papers inside, and I've stitched through the middle with my sewing machine, so this was done in no time at all. And on the outside here I cut open the second end of the bag so that I would have pockets on either end, like that. Really sweet. Beautiful handmade papers here as well. Very sweet little collage here. Another one here. And that's it. Then we have this one, which was a design team project for the Digital Collage Club. This is also a very small one. So the outside here is like this. And then we have cards on either side. So this is the one for the front. And I used my kintsugi technique to make some creases. And then I highlighted those creases with gold, like they do in the Japanese kintsugi technique with ceramics. Here as well. And underneath this video, you can find a playlist with all my design team projects. So you can find how I made this as well. I really like these cards. And just a few pages here in the middle. One signature. There's nothing in here. There's a pocket here which is empty, and that's it. Wait, how does this go? Ah, like this. Then the little tag goes here, and then we just tie it up. Then we have this one. This one is made out of a grocery paper bag, and I made this after an online course that I took by Roxanne Evans Stout. Love this one very much. A lot of beautiful lace here. Love this hand stitching. This was also a design team project for the Digital Collage Club. Also used my handmade stamps. I love that these are single pages that are then bound together. Love this stencil right here. So that's that. Then we have this one, which I love a lot, and I think I added many details to this one. Love the crinkly sound. And this is also a design team project for the Digital Collage Club, and I believe this was inspired by Susie from Shabby Soul, who showed the technique of making a cover like this. So this is sewing pattern and it has lace in between. It's very delicate. The sound is just amazing. So you can find this in the Digital Collage Club playlist, and you can see exactly how I made this. It feels so nice. I used some of the tags that I made for the 50 tag challenge from 2 years ago at least, from my friend Sharika. Some bird sketches I made, some original calligraphy. I really love this one. The size is also really cute, I think. Yep, I think I like that it has so many cute, intricate details. I really made an effort for this one. I really love this tag as well. It's a really old one. Oh, this is really cute. If I may say so myself. Might want to try this type of cover again. Just have to see if I have more of this beautiful crinkly sewing pattern. And then we have this little steampunk journal. I like this one a lot as well. As you can see, I bound it using my cinch. I also really like the closure, and I think that is a closure I need to make again on a journal. So a brad in the back and a chain attached to a little bulldog clip. Very simple. I used a lot of gilding wax on this. This was again a design team project for the Digital Collage Club. This has a lot of really fun elements in it that I haven't used in any other journal. Oh, that goes this way. These are made, of course, using embossing folders. There's some elements that you can turn. So again, you can find how I made this in my design team playlist. This again is made with an embossing folder and then used my gilding wax. Another little fold out here. This one is so fun. And this envelope is a belly band with a little booklet here. Love this. We have this tag inside, which I also really love. Another little booklet here. Love this so much. Again, an element you can turn. This one, and then this one. One of my favorite photos of all time. You can find this in my store. I love using these can pulls as tag toppers. A vellum pocket. This looks like an original book page, yeah. Love this. I have another little envelope here. I think, yeah, this turns as well. And then this little pocket is attached with one of these hooks for mounting a picture on your wall. And this flips down, and there's something in here. There's so much to discover in this one. Love this as well. And here's a little journaling card. These big watches came from a poster. I made this so many years ago and I still love it. Here I used some wire for the coin envelope. These turn. And inside is another card. Yeah, I think this is definitely one I can never sell. And back here there's another card. This, I think, is an original book page. Another beautiful tag. This again you can turn. Love this one as well. And this pocket is made with a die cut and some printables stuck inside. Here I have some wire here that holds the card in. This again is an original book page. And there's a little space for some writing, and it has a magnetic closure. And it's also a pocket, but there's nothing in the pocket. Another cute photo. And a lock here, which is actually a 3D sticker. Then there's this one, also digital collage team project. As you can see, this is very Art Nouveau. I used a vintage book cover for the front and the back. I covered the insides with fabric. And for this one, I tried an open spine because I wanted to see this beautiful machine stitching. These are some strips I received from my dear friend Honey, but I'm not 100% happy with this binding because it moves around too much. You see this? I really tried my best to make these stiff, but I did not succeed. Nevertheless, I really love this journal because of all the details I added inside. Lots of gold, of course. These are my eco-dyed papers, which are in my shop. I really love the pages of this. And again, you can find this in the Design Team Project playlist. I take you through exactly how I made this. Next, we have this Christmassy one. I love the fluffy yarn here. I love that I added some stars here, which came from an old earring. So this is one of these endless journals. Also a Design Team project. I hardly ever do anything Christmas themed, so this is one of the rare exceptions. So this one folds out completely. Too big to put in the camera. And of course it has the other side as well. So this one is the back, and then that folds out. So basically you have one large strip of cardstock, and then you can collage on that and then add all your pockets and everything and your details. And you just fold it up like a harmonica. And then it flips like a journal, of course, but from both sides, which is really fun. Yeah, that one was really fun to make as well. Another small Design Team project. This one is kind of like a travel folio journal. This was one of my earlier projects. So we have a pocket in front here with a tag. We have a journal signature here. Lots of neutral papers. And we have a pocket here. And that's it. Another Design Team project. This is a really fun one as well. It's like a flip out folio thing. For this one, I used some ribbon here in the back to tie it together, which then also became the closure. This is a Woodland themed one. It opens like this. We have all the ephemera inside here. Then we have a large pocket here. We also have a large pocket here. Then this flips up. We have a journal signature here. Beautiful kit here. Then there's another pocket back here. And there's another pocket here. I really like these large cards. And that's it. Another pocket here. And we have an even bigger folio, again, design team project. As you can see, this is a fairy journal. What I do regret about this, but I think I regretted it already when I was making it, that I printed these on regular copy paper, and now of course they are super delicate. This is the back. I added a handkerchief here on the spine. So this is again in the playlist. This has so many things to discover. So there's lots of writing space here. This is a bit fiddly to get back because of the feather. Then behind here is a journal page. Then we can open this. This is a very big folio, so I won't be able to show you the whole thing at once. Then there's a pocket here with another journal page. A junk mail envelope with a card. Another pocket here. Then there's a journaling card here, which I love a lot. Oh yeah, and then this flips down for some writing space, and it's also a tuck spot. Then here we have a tag that comes out. Then this flips down. Then we have some cards in here, or this is actually, yeah, this is an envelope. And then this flips up, and how does this, oh yeah, and then, see, I forgot. This opens up. More writing space here. This is very, very interactive. And then that closes up again. Then there's a pocket here. That goes here. Then this opens up. Okay, let's do this. This flips up. There's a little booklet here. Then there's a card in here with a little dangle. Then there's a flip up there. And this flips out, and we have a card in here and one in here. And there's one up here as well. No, this way. So let's flip that back down, and then we can open this up. This is exhausting. This flips out. Did I already show you this inside? No, I don't know. And then here we can open this, and this flips up, and this flips, oh yeah, this we have to take off. This flips out like a lot. There's lots of writing space on the back. And there's a card in here. So this needs to be closed with this large paper clip. And, oh, I think we did it. And I keep this closed so it doesn't flop all over the place. Oof, that's it. That was really challenging. But so fun because there's so many things to discover in it. That is a very interactive experience. Again, see the playlist for more details on this. Next, we have another simple fun folio. This was made out of an orange vintage envelope that I found at my Goodwill. And as you can see, the style here is completely different. So here we're going back into vintage, neutral, grungy tones. I used lots of original ephemera and pages here. Yeah, I like this one a lot as well. Oops, nope. Then we have another fun digital Collage Club design team project. This is my paper bag journal. This has an interesting binding here on the edge. A fun dangle. And these are just folded paper bags. And they all open. None of them have anything inside. Lots of stenciling, lots of fun clusters. This took a long time to make, I remember, but it was very fun. Then we have another quick one. This is made using a collaged masterboard. Also have these fun dangles here. I will link the videos. I think there's two. There's one making the masterboard and then there's one making the journal for you below as well. So this folds out like that. It's a very tall, thin one, which I love. And we have a pocket here. We have a leaf here, which serves as a little handle. And we have an envelope here that flips up. And then we have a fairly simple signature here, which I'm completely in love with. So as you can see, there's numerous coffee dyeing methods on these papers. So I will also link my coffee dyeing playlist for you below, where you can see all of these techniques. I just love these. Baking paper. Some more leaves here and here. These are all from Action. I feel very attached to this one. because the colors are so mine and I love the simplicity of it. And then lastly for this shelf we have this big one here, which is a Happy Mail journal. I have some beautiful dangles here. These are some beautiful handmade beads by my friend Elaine. We have a crocheted butterfly. And we have this gorgeous, gorgeous dragonfly here, which was also gifted to me. Oh, this just came off. Okay, I will attach that again afterwards. So this one is made out of a grocery paper bag. I really like the front here with the colors. I believe this was an image from Daphne's diary, and this is all collage fodder. This is the back. The signatures are sewn right through the cover. I left the back open, so I have a huge pocket here in which I have some more Happy Mail items that need to go in another Happy Mail journal. And I used really large book pages. I made a pocket here to add some more beautiful Happy Mail items. Yeah, and this is a collection of some of the things I have received over the years. I have a whole drawer full of more things which I need to make journals for. So many sweet things. So many beautiful cards and letters and notes from you. I really, really treasure these. Please stay tuned for part 3 of my journal shelf coming soon, sharing another square of this journal shelf. Love you guys!
Mwah, mwah.